But a better way to see it is that they are organisms that feed on your primary consumers. Some examples of your secondary consumers are omnivores. So they might actually exist as your primary consumers in one food chain where they feed on your producers, but in another food chain, they might be your secondary consumers as they are feeding on your primary consumers instead. An example of this, as you can see here, rats exist in both the group of primary consumers as well as secondary consumers. This is because they could be feeding on some plants in one food chain, hence they are called your primary consumers. But in another food chain, they could be consuming smaller insects, so then they are considered to be secondary consumers there. An easy guide will be that if that particular organism is feeding on your primary consumers, then that organism is considered to be your secondary consumer.